Let us continue towards basic strength of amines. Only for JEE NEET only. Few examples will be taken. Basic strength of amines. Continuation. That is particularly substituted anilines to be taken. In the last case, we discussed about ortho effect, that is very important, and take a one by one example. That is example 1, benzene ring NH2. Yes, which group is present? Methyl group is present. What is the nature of methyl group? It exerts inductive effect as well as hyperconjugation. What is this, my dear students? Hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation. Both are operating, and more electron density increase on an atom, then its basic nature is more than amine. That is aniline. Next step is methyl group at ortho para position, now at meta position. Then you got this one, and it is exerting only plus I effect only. This hyperconjugation not with equivalent structures with respect to ammonia. Only one effect is operating, that's why it has less basic than this one. The name of the compound is para position, 1,4 position, opposite positions, and it is toluene and aniline, toluene. And as usual, what is there? The parent compound aniline. And what is surprisingly observed, irrespective of the nature of the substrate at ortho position, it has which effect? Ortho effect. Then this is NH2, and the group is methyl group, and it is exerting ortho effect. Due to ortho effect, the planarity of anilinium ion NH3 plus after accepting proton away from the benzene ring. Benzene ring is like this. Benzene ring is like this, and anilinium ion is like this. See here. Then delocalization of positive charge is difficult, and this effect is called ortho effect. Just final information to be taken and useful in JEE NEET only. Suppose methoxy group is taken, which is a donating, electron donating group. Yes, as usual, what you are selected? Para-methoxy aniline, aniline methoxy. This is anisole, anisole aniline. Its name is anisidine. Names are surprisingly here designed. Para-anisidine has more basic than generally you are expecting meta position. What are the two effects operating by this one? Lone pair of electrons donated to benzene, that is a plus M effect or plus R effect. Due to electronegativity, it pulls electrons, that is minus I effect. Both are operating, but M is dominant than I, and overall it increases the electron density on an atom. Next one is surprisingly aniline. Aniline comes to second position when compared to methyl group. Now this methyl group, methoxy group, is coming to meta position, and it is in third place. The reason is very simple. It is operating only which effect? Minus I effect, and mesomeric resonance effect is not equivalent with the NH2 group. The charge is not properly dispersed. That's why minus I effect is operating, plus M effect is not operating. Then, as usual, ortho effect is operating. That is ortho-anisodine has less basic than, observe this one and this one. As what is the statement? Irrespective of the substrate on ortho position in anilines, their basic strength is less than aniline. Here also, aniline basic strength, ortho effect less. Why? Because anilinium ion planarity is interfered by methyl group and planarity is disturbed due to steric hindrance. One more group to be taken, that is OH group. This ortho effect exception, now we are going to take exception. Para amino phenol. As usual, it has a dominant, which effect? A dominant plus M effect and withdrawing inductive effect. Both are operating by this one. Here, ortho 1, surprisingly, yes, this is exception. This is exception, dear students, possible to ask in the examination. Yes, ortho effect is failed. Ortho effect is not observed. It has more basic than which one? Meta 1. Meta 1 least. This is aniline. And the last one is why the order is changed than our expectations. Here this is changed. The answer is this anilinium ion, NH3 plus, and the ortho group has a special effect. What is the special effect? The special effect is electronic effect. What is that electronic effect? Hydrogen bonding. Due to this extra stability, then planarity is not possible. Planarity disturbance is not observed. Planarity is not disturbed. Therefore, what is observed? More than aniline, orthonitroaniline has more basic than aniline due to this special feature for reference purpose. And here this OH exerting which effect? Only minus I effect. M effect is not operating. At meta position, mesomeric effect, and in case of methyl anilines, inductive, that hyperconjugation effect, they are not operating, they are not giving equivalent resonance structures with respect to ammonia, with respect to NH2 group. These are about electron donating groups. Come to electron withdrawing groups. Due to electron withdrawing group, what happened? Aniline has more basic than ortho, meta, para substituted anilines with electron withdrawing group. due to decrease in electron density on an atom. Already we recorded. Now take nitroaniline. Aniline is beginning. Then which one? Meta position. Meta position with the drawing group. What is the effect by this group? It has minus I effect and minus M effect, both are operating. Only minus I is affecting but not minus M, therefore less basic than aniline. Then para nitro aniline, that is this one, it has minus I effect and minus plus M effect. It is dominant than this one. It is also minus M. Both are withdrawing. Then more withdrawing, less basic than the meta position. And ortho position, what is operating? The planarity is disturbed and accepting proton is difficult. That is, where is it present? NO2 group, and this is NH2. This effect is ortho effect. Yes, due to ortho effect, irrespective of donating or withdrawing, aniline has more basic character than ortho substituted anilines with irrespective of donating or withdrawing group. This is the conclusion, and these examples are sufficient. One more question to conclude this one. Arrange the compounds in increasing order of their basic strength. Yes. A aniline, B para anisidine, C para nitro aniline. Yes, what is your answer? Toluidine is given, toluidine instead of anisidine. Yes, this is 1 mark. PU. Toluidine. Yes. Now, answer is aniline in the middle. Toluidine is methyl group. That is a methyl group. It has plus I effect and hyperconjugation, and it has NO2 group, minus I effect, minus M effect, more withdrawing. So answer is only for reference purpose, that is least basic by C, then by A and by B. Over. Thank you very much. Will be continued other chemical properties in next coming videos. Good luck.